Just towards the Vigi shop.
Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna flank him around to see if I can get him. Yeah, yeah. He just killed someone. Oh, he's taking off, bro. He's taking off. No, dude. I can't see him.
I'm gonna take a shot at him.
Can we take a shot at him? Gotcha.
Yep.
All right, take a warning.
Yep.
Oh no, dude. That's bannable, isn't it? Yeah.
Tell
Yeah.
far.
Yep.
Paco sad face.
I know. I should be a constable. Right behind you, man. My fatigue. He's going down.
Yeah, he's going down. There we go.
Good
There
job,
we go.
guys. Good job. Good job. Good job, guys.
Yeah, I got one right now.
Oh,
I'm
man.
partying in one person. He's one of them. Alright, Joe is partying. Who else? Alright, give me a second.
Santa Claus. Oh, I can't even see now.
Alright,
We
I got
should
Asus.
just recapture them and hit them on the wall.